All right, we're asked to solve this simple math problem. We are given that f of x is equal to 2x squared plus x plus 3. Then we are now asked to find f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. Okay, first of all, solution. First of all, let us find f of, first of all, they gave us f of x as 2x squared plus x plus 3. Now let us find f of x plus h. So that means anywhere we see x, we replace it with what? X plus h. As simple as that. So let us find f of x plus h. So this is equal to 2 into x plus h all squared plus, here again, s plus h, then plus 3. So this is equal to 2 into, square the first one, x squared. Multiply the first one and the second one, double it. You have 2xh or hx, anyone, then plus h squared. So that is the expansion. Then plus x plus h plus 3. So I'm going to have that this is what? 2x squared plus 4hx plus 2h squared plus x plus h plus 3. So now, if we put it here, we're going to be having that f of x plus h minus f of x all over h will now be equal to, this one we got already, 2x squared plus 4hx plus 2h squared plus x plus h plus 3, then minus my f of x is going to give me minus time, this one will give you minus 2x squared, minus time, this one will give you minus x, minus time, this one will give you minus 3, then everything divided by h. So if you have this, you're going to be having 2s squared is taking care of 2s squared. So this one will take care of this one will take care of this one, and then this one is taking care of this one. So I am left with 4hx plus 2h squared plus h, everything divided by h. So if you do that, you see you are going to be having h take care of h here. I'm having 4x, h take care of h here. I'm having 2h, h take care of h here. I'm having 1. So that is the answer. As simple as that. 4x plus 2h plus 1. As simple as that. So thank you very much for watching. Okay, you now find this one for me. Find f of x minus h minus f of x all over h. So find this one for me and tell me what you think is the answer in the comment section. May the peace of the Lord be with you.